Practice set 6.2. Question number second, sub question first. X plus y bracket cube minus x minus y bracket cube. It is in the form. Just I will rub this. It is in the form a cube minus b cube. This is in the form a cube minus b cube. A is equal to, you have to consider x plus y. B is equal to, you have to consider x minus y. And you have to utilize the identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket. A square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. But here a is equal to, you have to say that a is equal to, you have to take x plus y. A is equal to, you have to take x plus y. B is equal to, you have to take x minus y. So I am writing here a is equal to x plus y you have to put, and b is equal to x minus y you have to put. In place of a you have to put x plus y, in place of b you have to put x minus y, and this becomes x plus y bracket cube minus x minus y bracket cube is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is a, this is b, so this is x plus y minus x minus y into a square means x plus y bracket square plus a into b means x plus y multiplied by x minus y, and b square means x minus y bracket square. Then you know the basic identity. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b in one bracket multiplied by a minus b in another bracket is equal to a square minus b square. So I will write that identities here. Basic identities. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b in one bracket multiplied by a minus b in another bracket is equal to a square minus b square. You have to utilize this basic identity here. Here you have to utilize that identities. So first of all, x plus y minus x minus y. X plus y as it is you have to write. When outside the bracket minus sign, you have to change the sign. Whatever be the elements inside, you have to change the sign. This plus x becomes minus x. This minus y becomes plus y. Means you have to change the sign when outside. When we will solve the bracket, outside the bracket, if minus sign, that time you have to change the sign. This plus x becomes minus x. This minus y becomes plus y. Then here x plus y bracket square. For x plus y bracket square you have to use this identity, a plus b bracket square. X plus y bracket square is equal to, this is the expansion of x plus y bracket square. What? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Here x plus y multiplied by x minus y. A plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In the same manner, x plus y multiplied by x minus y. The expansion of this is x square minus y square. Then x minus y bracket square you have to utilize the identity a minus b bracket square. At that time this x minus y bracket square becomes x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the expansion of this. Then here if you will observe first bracket, this plus x and minus x will get cancelled because like term having opposite sign. What is remain? Y plus y remain, that you have to write downside. Then here x square, here you have to collect the terms of the square terms. X square plus x square plus x square. 3x squares are there that you have to write together. 2xy plus 2xy minus 2xy you have to write together. Then y square minus y square plus y square. Y square minus y square minus plus y square you have to write together. So these are the term of the x square. These are the term of the xy. These are the term of the y square. Then here y plus y is equal to, you have to write 2y. This x 1x square plus 1x square plus 1x square is equal to 3x square. You have to write here. This plus 2xy minus 2xy. These are the like term having opposite sign. You have to strike that term. At that time this value will come 0. Here y square plus y square minus y square, you have to strike these terms. At that time this, what is remain? Y square is remain. Here 3x square plus y square remain, that you have to write in the bracket. Outside the bracket 2y. In between 2y and this bracket multiplication sign, you have to utilize the distributive law. You have to distribute this 2y in between these two terms. This becomes 2y multiplied by 3x square and 2y multiplied by y square. Then here you have to do the product. Here you have to do the product. Here numeric term will multiply with the numeric term, variable term will multiply with the variable term. 2 multiplied by 3 you have to write together. X square multiplied by y you have to write here. This 2 as it is you have to write. Y square multiplied by y you have to write here. Here you have to do the product of this term. Here you have to do the product of this term. 2 3s are 6. X square multiplied by y is equal to x square y. And 2 as it is you have to write y square multiplied by y is equal to y cube. From that, when you will solve this expression by the a cube minus b cube identity, that time answer will come 6x square y plus 2y cube. So try to understand these things properly. This is little bit difficult, but if you will understand properly all these things at that time, it is very easy. So solve this properly and write in the classwork notebook properly. Thank you.